Dr. Darien is back now, taking a look at some of the medical questions that you're asking. And here is one from Anna. She wants to know, is it true to avoid licorice and grapefruit when starting a new prescription medication?
It is true. Well, licorice and grapefruit can interact with medications. In some cases, they can increase the potency or they can decrease their effectiveness. Many people might not know, especially if you're starting a new medication. So it's important to ask that question if grapefruit or licorice are a part of your diet. Now, how much? Grapefruit, it can last for 24 hours in your system. Eating one grapefruit can affect your medication effectiveness. But licorice, you need to eat a lot of it in order for it to take effect. So it's not as dangerous as it might seem, but it's important to have a discussion.
Still questions to ask.
Still questions to ask.
Your prescription for wellness.
On that topic, what questions do you ask when you're starting a new medication? I think that this is a really important topic because so many, especially in the emergency room when they come in, might not know these answers, and it can be really difficult to treat when you don't know these answers. So the first question you should ask when you're getting prescribed a new medication is, how does it work and what is it for? And I want you to take that and write it down. You can't imagine how many people come in and they're not sure exactly what their medication is for. Another question you should ask, can you take it with other medications or drugs? Specifically supplements also that you might buy over the counter. Also, should you avoid this medication with certain foods? We talk about grapefruit and licorice, for example. And then I think really importantly, what should you do if you miss a dose? Certain medications will tell you to double up in the morning if you miss a dose. Certain medications will tell you not to double up. So it's important to ask these questions when you're getting prescribed a new med.
All right, learning something, Doc.
I'm going to send that list to my mother.
Yes. Thank you. Folks, we would love to hear from you, so please hit us up on Instagram with all of your medical questions for Dr. Darien at ABC GMA3.